Hello everybody. Hey, this is an oatmeal recipe, and I had several people ask me how I did this because they thought it sounded good. So here we go. This is a quick and easy. It's got a lot of different stuff, but quick and easy oatmeal recipe that you don't need to goober up with sugar. The biggest thing for me is I don't much care for cardboard, and to me oatmeal kind of tastes like cardboard if you don't put something in it, and I don't want to put sugar in it. I can stand a little bit of salt, so a little bit goes a long way. That's all I'm going to put in there. Guess that's in, yeah. That's all I'm going to put in there. Now, I don't like salty lumps in my oatmeal, so we're going to dissolve this first. So this is a cup of water. No, it doesn't look like one, but it is. I have measured it before. So a cup of water. I'm going to put this in the microwave for a couple of minutes just to get it warm. The salt dissolves faster in warm water. So we're going to do that. I will not make you suffer through the duration of that. So just a little tiny bit of butter. Tiny bit of coconut oil. Doesn't have to be a lot. And into the microwave for a couple of minutes. I didn't even have you listen to the beeper on the microwave. So, just in case I didn't make this clear a few minutes ago, I did not microwave the spoon in the bowl. Still has some stuff on it. Put it in the water. As soon as it heats up, that comes off. Just stir that up. Now there is no granular sodium, salt, whatever you like to call it, left in the bottom of the bowl. It's just salty water. So now when you mix this stuff in, there's not going to be any little salty clumps in it. Okay, now all we have to do is put the stuff in. I don't measure this. This is supposed to be quick and easy. So I put 7 spoonfuls of rolled oats in here. These are the Quaker Oats Old Fashioned. Actually, I think these are great value, Old Fashioned. So that's it. This is ground flax seed. So I put a big old spoonful of ground flax seed in there. These are sunflower kernels. I normally use the honey roasted ones, but they were out and I like them in there, so 2 spoonfuls of that. Here is some chia seed. Supposed to be good for you. I don't know. Tastes good to me. So a couple of spoonfuls of that. And this is walnut. And I chopped this up, just buy it in the halves, walnut halves in the baking department. And that's it. You just mix this all up, throw it in the microwave for another couple of minutes, and that's all there is to it. Now, if you want to do this with steel cut oats, this actually works good overnight. So if you know you're gonna be in a hurry the next day, you can go ahead, put all this stuff in there, put it in the fridge, and all you got to do is throw it in the microwave the next day and warm it up, and it's good like that. If you want to put some sugar in it, you certainly can do that. To me, I don't think it needs it. The salt takes the cardboard out of it, and since these are salted sunflower kernels, I don't really know exactly what that's going to do to this, but I'm going to throw this in the microwave for another 2 minutes without the spoon in it, and we'll be right back. Okay, all we got to do now is get this out and give it a little stir, and it is ready to eat. So in the length of time that was cooking, I got everything put back in the cabinet in their little containers. And you can add sugar to this to taste. There's no magical recipe. I just like the other stuff along with the oatmeal. Walnuts are supposed to be good for me. The chia seed, the flax seed, the sunflower kernels, and it makes it to where I can eat this. And I might have miscounted a spoonful of oatmeal. I don't know. I don't talk and count well. So whatever it is, and you can reduce that recipe. There's no magical numbers in this, so just quick and easy. Probably start to finish getting everything out and having it all put back up. Everything but washing the dishes when I'm done, and this is the only dishes that need to be washed. Probably 6 minutes, just guessing. So we'll go ahead and gotta let this cool off just a little bit, and I'll give it a taste. Okay, give this a little test. I like it this way. So you may not. I'll let y'all argue it out in the comments about steel cut oats versus rolled oats. Not a conversation for me. I like both of them. So anyway, this gives it a nutty flavor, obviously, with all the walnuts and the chia seed and stuff in there, flaxseed. And it's just enough to me that it doesn't taste like cardboard. So it's healthy for me, probably not to eat this much at one time, but you know, health food is good for you if you eat it, and I'll eat this. So if you have any comments or anything, just stick them down there somewhere. You have a better recipe, and I'll catch you guys down the road.